Hello friends, in this video we are going to see shortcuts for symbols in MS Word. There are few symbols the people may need while working on the MS Word document, and it's very problematic for them or tedious job for them to insert some symbols which they require frequently. Now there are few symbols like copyright. If you want to insert a copyright in your document, very simple thing you have to do, just open the curve bracket, write a C in that and just close that curve bracket. It will create a copyright. Next one is the registered. If you want to insert registered symbol, then the same thing you have to do, open a curve bracket R and close it. It will create a registered symbol. Now there is a trademark also, same way, inside that TM and close. It will convert to the trademark symbol. Next one is the smileys which you use in the mobiles or the on the internet. So to insert a sad smiley or the happy smiley, only thing you have to do, semicolon and this bracket and just press the like this and it will convert to that. Now the next one is the sad faces. So that for that you have to use semicolon and the opening bracket, that is a curve bracket. You can see here this symbol I have used, or this bracket I have used to convert it into a sad faces. Next one is the single left and right arrow. Now sometimes you need arrows to be inserted in your document. So the simple way to insert a left arrow and right arrow is, if you want to insert a right arrow, just press dash sign 2 times and then greater than sign. Next one like this. So in this will be converted into a arrow. Now again I will do dash 2 dash and greater than, and it will convert to that arrow. Again if I want to do the left arrow, I will do this and I will do this. So in this way you can create a left arrow and the right arrow. Now if you want to insert the left arrow and right arrow with some width, then you have to use equal to sign and greater than. It will convert to that. In this way you can do like equal to and like this. These are the ways. Here also you can see you can do such things with this key, and if you want to do like this, it will convert to like this. So in whichever direction you want, you have to put the less than and the greater than sign, and it will convert to the left arrow and the right arrow. Now the next one is the inserting bullet using keyboard. Now for that what you have to do is just press the star and press the tab button and it will convert to the bullets. Next one, if you want the arrow one bullet, then greater than and tab, it will convert to that bullet. Next one, if you want to start numbering, then 1 dot tab, it will convert. Now if you enter it, it will be. Now if I do like this and tap, if I write something over here and I press, you can see it will start numbering also. What you have to do is only press 1 dot and tap. Now it's converted into a numbering one. So in this way you can insert a bullets and the numbering using keyboards directly. So there is an option available over here also, but you can do it by using a keyboard. Next one is the hidden text. For that I will insert some paragraph. You can insert any paragraph, that is a random paragraph, by using equal to rand bracket, and it will insert some random paragraphs inside that document. Now when I want to now I want this two paragraphs to be printed in my printing, and this paragraph should not be there. So I will select that and I will click on the font. Here you have to click on the hidden and click OK. Now you can see if I go in a print option, it is not available. That is, this paragraph is in the hidden format. Here you can see these two don't have that dotted lines, but this paragraph has a dotted line. So in this way you can keep a content in your document which you don't want to print just by using the simple trick. Just select it and right click on it, click on the font, and if you want to remove it again, you can just uncheck the hidden and click OK, and it will be removed. So what you have to do, just right click on the fonts, click on the hidden and OK. Now here you can see if I press the Ctrl P, it doesn't show a print preview of my that paragraph. Now again I will select it, font, uncheck it, click OK. Now again I will press Ctrl P. Here you can see that paragraph is visible. So in this way you can convert your some text in your document into a hidden one. Now the next one is the magazine style. What is the meaning of magazine style? When you uh, read any magazine, the first alphabet of that word is in the greater format. So if you want to increase, you increase like this. But there is a simple way to increase or to use the magazine format, is just select it, insert it here, drop cap. You can use a drop in margin, drop like this. You can directly convert it into a magazine format. So it's very easy. There is an option drop cap available. There is a multiple option available. You can use it, line to drop, 3 lines, or how many lines you want, that you can decide. There is a options available, so as per your requirement you can use it. So these are the few tricks and tips or the shortcuts to insert a symbols in MS Word, which we require frequently if we are working on some documents, and it's very useful. It saves our time and our efficiency of the work will increase. Thank you.